Welcome back to another exciting episode of Brain Blast. We've got a super fun challenge for you. Today, let's test your science knowledge expertise. But before we start, don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more Brain Blast adventure. Let's get started. What animal has the highest blood pressure? Giraffe. What are the audible consequences of apnea? Snoring. What does a glaucoma provoke if it's not treated? Blindness. What is the building block of matter? Atom. What cannot be done as we swallow? Breathing. What happens with the temperature when boiling point is reached? It's maintained stable. What's the name of the chronic mood disorder that alternates periods of hypomanic symptoms? Cyclothymia. What is the square root of 169? 13. Only two species are poisonous: the Mexican beaded and the Gila monster, which is also the largest one in the US. What is it? Lizard. When are young elephants considered to be adults? 12 to 15 years old. How old can a camel be? 50. Which of these is the theory about the creation of the universe? Big Bang. Which two common household items have a violent chemical reaction when combined? Sodium bicarbonate and vinegar. What prevents virus replication? Interferons. Which of these birds has the fastest flap of wings? Hummingbird. Which is not an electrical SI unit of measurement? Gallon. What is needed for respiration? Glucose and oxygen. How is a tooth cavity usually fixed? By filling it. What is obtained after mixing hydrochloric acid and sodium hydroxide? Water and sodium chloride. What does a speleologist study? Caves. Which is the name of the most extended artery of the human body? Aorta. What is the function of the ribosome in a cell? Protein synthesis. What other name does the water cycle receive? Hydrologic cycle. What's the only liquid metal? Mercury. Which physical property of light gives rise to our experience of color? Wavelength of light. How can you calculate the age of a tree? Counting the rings of the trunk. What was Pangaea? A supercontinent. How can you distinguish a tiger mosquito from a common mosquito? The stripes in its legs. What is the speed of sound? 343 miles per second. And for our last question, which part of the eye responds to light? Retina. Way to go, quiz champs! You've impressed us all with your skills. Before you go, please don't forget hit that like button and subscribe to Brain Blast for more exciting quizzes. And of course, we're curious. What were your scores? Share them down in the comments. Thank you for playing! Check out our other quiz videos